If you are looking to maximize your profits from meme coin trading, this video is for you. Today we have amazing utility added recently to Mexi, which is the Mexi Dex Plus. So this feature over here can help you trade meme coins with the lowest slippage and the lowest cost possible on the market. You can trade it effortlessly with over 10,000 assets. We're gonna discover all these important details in this video. So before we start, don't forget to support us with like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the website and this is the Dex Plus on Mexi. Also, they have an event that we're gonna discover in this video, which gives you like a passive income or a bonus from your trades or from using this Dex Plus utility right here. But before getting into it, let's discover what's this Mexi Dex Plus. So first of all, this platform, to better understand what is Dex Plus. Dex Plus is decentralized exchange aggregation platform that integrates multiple dexes to offer users the best trading routes, minimize slippage, as I told you, and optimize trading costs. As Mexi's latest decentralized trading solution, Dex Plus supports trading for over 10,000 on-chain assets, which is quite interesting, and ensuring users always receive the best prices and enjoy a seamless DEX trading experience. As we all know, Mexi is a centralized exchange which we can access their services or their centralized services over here. As you can see, let's open a new page and go directly to exchange. So here we're gonna see that the domain is mexi.com. As you can see here, they have a lot of competitions, a lot of altcoins that you can trade on, and great tokens. As you can see here in the spot gainers, we have tokens that making insane gains, more than 10x, as you can see here in this case of this token. As you can see, you can discover the event and much more details. But in this video, guys, we're gonna discover the Dex Plus features, which is recently added on their exchange, which is the Dex Plus. You can switch it over here in just one click. It's a breeze, totally easy to use. We have also the event that we're gonna discover on how you can trade on Dex Plus and earn. So you can trade just 100 USDT and you can get 20 USDT as a bonus. The second thing now, we're gonna see how we can deposit on this Dex platform. So first of all, let's discover the networks deployed on Mexi Dex Plus. As you can see over here, we have only Solana right now. The other blockchains are coming soon. For example, here we have Ethereum, Base, BNB Chain, Tron. You can go to assets over here. As you can see, you can agree the terms, as you can see. So after creating your account on Dex Plus, now let's make a deposit. So all you need to do is to go to assets. As you can see, this is your assets or the overview page. Here you find all your assets, all your trades, and here, as you can see, we have founding history and much more details. So to add a deposit, all you need to do here to click receive. As you can see, choose Solana. Here we have the Solana address. As you can see over here, you can copy this address and go to any wallet that you are using, whether it's centralized or decentralized, and you can drop some funds to this wallet directly. Or if you have a Mexi account and you are working with Mexi as a trader or holder or whatever, you need to go directly to convert over here, and all you need to do here to swap or to convert some tokens from your Mexi account to Dex Plus account. For example, now let's convert $100 for this preview. So just a demonstration to show you guys how you can trade, and we're gonna open a trade demo to show you guys how it works. As you can see, click convert. So let's try again. As you can see, We need to do it fast. As you can see, after this, go to receive. As you can see, click all, then click confirm. And here it will top up this page. As you can see here, I need to add another verification method. So it should be 2 verifications method. And here I'm gonna link it with Google Authenticator and come back to you. Now after getting the code and clicking submit, and in few seconds you will find your funds over here in the overview. So now all you need to do here is to go to markets in this button over here. So here guys, we have 3 categories. We have trending. Here you'll find all the trending based on the period, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour, or the last 24 hours. And for sure, you can here check out a lot of filters that you can use based on the volume, based on the profit. As you can see here, we have Jeffy that's making insane gains for their investors in just 1 hour. As you can see, just 1 minute, as you can see here, which is insane. You can check out here all the tokens that are making insane gains in just the last hour. Here we have pump.fun. So here in this section, for sure all the tokens are listed or are deployed from pump.fun. Here we have 3 sections. The new section, the graduating and the graduated, which means here you find the newest tokens over here, as you can see, that are just listed and have a great potential to 10x or maybe more. For graduating projects, the projects that are near to graduate and deploy on the DEX. For the graduated projects, here we have the projects that are already on the DEX. As you can see here, let's go to trade here in this section and let's give you an example on how you can buy. It's just a demo, it's not financial advice. Here, as you can see, we have plenty of options. You can also select the tokens for favorites over here. Click in this start button and you will find them here in favorites. And here in trending, you'll find a large of tokens that are making waves. So now, for example, let's choose this one. Okay, let's choose this one. We're gonna just share with you a demo. As you can see, this token chart looks very strong. Here we have the latest trades. We have the holders, the open orders. So my open orders is over here, order history, and my holdings. So all I need to do here is to place an order or a buy order. So we can use this scroller over here. For example, let's choose just 10% of the amount. It's about $9, as you can see over here. And you will find here the equivalent amount on Coke or maybe the token that you are buying. And as you can see, click buy. And as you can see, the order is executed directly without any delays and with the lowest slippage, as we already discussed. As you can see, you'll find your order here in order history. As you can see here, my holdings as well. You can close this trade, or maybe you can go directly to sell and choose the amount that you want to sell. As you can see over here, you can check out all the metrics of the token for sure from here. The last 24 hours volume, the number of holders, the tax. It's free of tax, this token. So now let's close this order. All you need to do here is to go and choose 100%. Then you can click sell. And as you can see, the order is successfully set up. And in this section now, I will show you how you can make your withdrawal. So all you need to do here is click send. And for sure, you can send your funds from Dex Plus account to the Mexi exchange spot account, as you can see here in this section. And here, for example, let's choose the amount of Solana. Let's click confirm. And for sure, you need the verification again. Let's click confirm. As you can see, send application submitted. And after a few seconds, the funds will be sent to your Mexi account and you will receive this notification. As you can see, the fund reached our account successfully. Also here we have another utility in Dex Plus that I really like, which is the smart money. So in this section, you can track the smart wallets and money on a Dex Plus, which can easily get close to 100x token price increase, which is super amazing. And now guys, we can move on directly to discover this amazing event right here. As you can see, you can earn $20 bonus by just trading $100 or USDT, and you can also invite friends, trade deposits to share $150,000 in futures bonuses, which is very amazing. All you need to do here is to follow the steps for the first task to share 100,000 USDT. All you need to do is sign up for an Mexi account, which is super amazing. I already explained how you can do this, and you can visit the Mexi Dex Plus page and activate your Dex Plus wallet. We already discovered this tip. Maintain at least 100 USDT equivalent in net deposits. So it's not in a trading volume, but in net deposits, which is also affordable. You can also transfer and trade at least 100 USDT worth of tokens via Dex Plus, and you can receive a $20 or USDT futures bonuses. For the next one, you can be also eligible for this $100,000 for futures bonuses. As you can see, also we have invite friends, and you can share this 50,000 USDT, the remaining reward pool, and also it's in futures bonuses. All you need to do here, generate a referral link, share it with friends, and for each eligible referee, you can get $20 future bonuses. As the referrer, you can earn rewards for up to 20 eligible referees, totaling $400. For sure, the first comes, first serves. So you need to come early to get this massive prize pool. Here we have the terms and conditions, which is super easy, and you need to read the terms of conditions to know the rules of this massive event. We already discovered the event. Here we have some more informations. So here, why we should use this Mexi or Mexi Dex Plus. As you can see, you can trade effortlessly 100x on-chain assets and over 10,000 on-chain assets. As you can see, the lower slippage and consistently evolving, which means regular upgrades are carried out to enhance decentralized features and expand product capabilities, improving your overall trading experience. So you find all these links down below in the description. So hope you like this video and get some knowledge from this massive utility added to the Mexi platform, which is quite interesting. You'll find all the links down below in the description so you can get into them easily and start your trading today with Mexi. For sure, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research before getting into any platform I share with you. See you guys in next videos. Cheers.